Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can get story mode on TikTok. So story mode is basically this mode. As you guys can see over here, this is story mode. So if you guys don't have this mode, then I will show you guys how you guys can get it. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So this story mode feature is only available in the latest version of TikTok. So make sure to update your TikTok. Go to your App Store or Play Store if you're using Android or iOS and just update your TikTok. Once you update your TikTok, open your TikTok and at the bottom you can see the plus button on TikTok. After updating your TikTok, just click on plus and it's going to straight up open in like the story mode. So if I click a photo or shoot a video, then it is going to be uploaded in my story. So for an example, let's say I click a video over here and it's going to show me this tick and at the side it says your story. If I click on tick, it's going to be uploaded as a video, but if I click on your story, it's going to be uploaded as my story. So this is basically what story mode on TikTok allows me to do. It allows me to straight up post a video or a photo as a story. But now you might get confused. Okay, now I know how to go into story mode, but how do I go into a regular mode where I can upload my video as a video, not as a story? Well, for that as well, it's the same thing. Once you click on plus at the bottom, now at the side you can see this option called 15s, 60s, 10m. If you want to record a 10-minute video, which is also known as a long format video on TikTok, click on 10m and as you guys can see, my length instantly changes into another one. So this is basically the meaning that I'm out of TikTok story mode. So any video I record from here is now going to be taken as a long form video. For an example, as you guys can see, I'm recording a 3-second clip. Now as you guys can see, I'm not getting the your story option because this is not a story. I'm in a video recording mode on TikTok. That's how you guys can get story mode on TikTok, by updating your TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.